Home Remedies presents. Put rose water in your eyes daily and see what happens. Rose water is your safest bet for rejuvenating tired eyes. After working for long hours in front of desktops, stress and irritation in eyes is quite common. In order to get rid of the same, it is always better to keep rose water handy. Rose water can have a hypnotic effect on your nerves and can help induce sleep. The flavonoids present in it are responsible for the effect. It also acts as an antidepressant for the same reason. Here are a few reasons why use rose water regularly for your eyes. It helps to calm your overactive brain. It removes dust. It soothes eye irritation. It works as a pain reliever. It boosts eye health. It cures pink eyes and dry eyes. How to use rose water for eyes? The best way to use the rose water is to keep some in an empty washed eye drop bottle or a dropper bottle. The best time to apply is before bed. Apply 2 to 3 drops of rose water into your eyes to combat pink eyes, burning sensation, or other irritants. Close your eyes for a few minutes and allow it to relax your eyes. In fact, you can do this often to keep your eyes clean from pollutants and irritants. Smearing rose water under your eyes can also help you keep dark circles at bay and reduce eye fatigue. Soak cotton balls in rose water and place it over your eyes for at least 15 minutes to have a soothing, cooling, and relaxing effect. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.